doon sa team yung mga auditors natin sa Bulacan First District Engineering Officer na reshuffle na po sila. Opo.
Bakit naman reshuffle? Baka mamaya kung saan nun sila dalhin, doon naman sila gagawa ng kanilang kalokohan, hindi ba?
Hindi po, sir. Wala na po sa auditing unit po.
Yes, but should not there be a deeper investigation? Were they involved?
May ongoing na po, sir.
Okay, so we want the update. If it's meant to be confidential, then we will keep it strictly confidential. But the committee I would be interested, and I'm sure the committee would be interested to know what you're doing.
Opo, sir.
Okay,
Opo.
thank you.
Thank you.
And sa usapin ni Commissioner Lipana, mabalik lang tayo. Meron akong kontrata dito, contract of agreement, no? Department of Public Works, no? Involving Convergence and Special Report Program, Olympus Mining and Builders. Siguro, Mr. Chairman, I will turn this over to the committee because interesting enough, ang asawa ni Mr. Commissioner Lipana, ang ginagamit niya doon sa kontrata is her maiden name. Olympus Mining and Builders Group Philippines, represented by Marilu G. Laurio. So mukhang merong concealment, no? Dahil alam niyang asawa siya ng isang commissioner, hindi siya pwedeng kumontrata dahil may conflict of interest. So dito nakalagay Marilu G. Laurio and she signed it, no? Pinirmahan niya. Authorized Managing Officer. Ganun din sa, Olympus Mining. Marilu Laurio, name and signature of contractor's representative. No, so maybe we should also invite Miss, what is her name? Laurio or Lipana, also known as to this to the committee for the next hearing, so that she can shed light as to these contracts, Mr. Chairman. Now, puntahan natin si Sims Construction, Sally. Sabi mo, ikaw ay nagwi-withdraw ng sa Malolos, Bulacan, Land Bank.
Yes, Your Honor.
Magkano wini-withdraw mo?
Kasi, Your Honor, hindi na, halimbawa 457, kung ano lang po yung available that day, hati-hatiin po yun.
Magkano nga yung isang transaksyon? 50 million? 10 million? 100 million? Cash. Wini-withdraw mo ng cash.
Yes, Your Honor. Ano po may withdrawal po 457
457 million. Pumayag yung bank manager sa 457 million cash. Wala kayong checking? Checking account ba yun?
Cash po yun, Your Honor. Na-request ko po.
Paano pumayag yung bank manager na i-release yung 457 million cash?
Ano naman po sa land bank naman po yun at Your Honor.
So land bank manager.
Yes, po.
Also, Lilibeth Lim.
Hello, Highway po.
Andito pala. Is she from the land bank? Malolos branch. Ma'am, can you join us? So, may arrangement ba kayo, Sally, sa bangko para pumayag sila ng may malaking transaksyon na gano'n na ilalabas?
Hindi po,
Please come forward, ma'am. Yun sa land bank.
Your Honor, papaalam naman po ako sa kanila. Bawa na po, may withdrawal po akong ganon. So, hindi naman po agad-agad yun ibibigay. May mga araw po yun na sasabihin na kasi kinukuha pa daw po nila sa ibang...
Kaya nga.
Opo.
Pero pangkaraniwan, yun yung pinakamalaki. 457 million isang araw.
Teka po. I-recall ko lang po ulit sa...
O ano ang pangkaraniwan?
Tanong ko po sa abogado.
50, 70 million?
Mga minsan po kasi kalahati, minsan 200.
Million?
Opo. Minsan po 150. Depende po sa ano po, kung ano po yung...
Kay Mr. Diskaya, ganun din ba? Meron kayong account sa land bank?
Yes, Your Honor, meron po.
Tapos dinideposit sa inyong account sa land bank yung pondo ng DPWH?
Your Honor, ano po, LDAP po. LDAP. Ibig po sabihin yung mula po sa DPWS pag binayaran kanila, papasok na po yun sa account mo.
sa land bank.
Opo, nasa iyo na po yun kung gusto mong i-withdraw or
Yes,
patuloyin
yes.
na po muna doon.
So, kayo may checking account kayo o nagwi-withdraw din kayo ng cash?
Pag kailangan pong bumili ng mga materyales na cash para po mas makamura, doon lang po kami nagwi-withdraw ng cash.
Pero umaabot sa daang bilyon din yung inyong account sa land bank. Tama ba yan?
Depende po sa collection po na makukuha po
Well,
namin.
yes or no? Umaabot ba ng bilyon ang accounts ninyo sa land bank dahil sa mga project ninyo?
Hindi naman po kasi kadalasan po pinabibili din po ng materyales at saka pampasweldo.
Pumapasok pa rin sa account ninyo.
Yes po, Your Honor.
So, nagkakaroon ng reflection sa account ninyo yung pumapasok na bilyon-bilyon.
yes po, Your Honor.
Okay, that's all I need to know. Ma'am, practice ba yan ng bangko na magre-release ng 457 million cash? Hindi ba red flag na yan na dapat nire-report? Ang gusto natin malaman dito complicit ba ang banking system natin sa ganitong klaseng corruption?
Mr. Chair, apologies po that I can't.
Kindly stand up, ma'am, so you can administer your oath.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this proceeding?
Yes po.
Thank you. You may take your seat.
Please proceed.
Go ahead, ma'am. Please answer the question.
May I request to repeat the question if okay po? Apologies po.
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
Ganun ba ang patakaran? You can have 457 million pesos cash released as a bank on a single day, and wala ba, di ba red flag na yan? Di ba dapat nire-report na yan? We want to know if the banks are complicit in this the illegal transactions using government funding. You're land bank, di ba?
Yes. The land bank is, once the transaction is more than 500,000, it will be automatically captured by the system and be reported as covered transaction report.
And
It's automated po once it is over 500,000.
that's all you do?
At first, that is what we
Yeah,
are
that's the law.
doing.
But that's all you do. Wala ba kayong know your customer? Nagwi-withdraw ng 457 million, okay lang?
We have-
Report lang na over 500,000?
We have due diligence and KYC as well upon opening of the account po, Mr. Chair.
So how did this happen?
In particular account po, it is, according to bank secrecy, we need to request for the consent of the, if it is, of the client.
Miss Sims, Miss Sally, okay lang siyang magpaliwanag? Under the bank?
Your Honor, paalam lang po ako sa attorney ko.
Waiver of your rights to under the bank secrecy law.
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, anyway, so you're amenable. Go ahead, ma'am.
Yes, we have a copy of the bank, of the waiver that we can let her sign first
Okay.
now so that I can answer.
Yes, so can you have that done? Well, while we're waiting for that, what we want to find out is paano nangyayari na daang milyon, kalahating bilyong piso, parang pikit mata ang ating banking
Senator
system.
Pangilinan, for the information of the body, meron tayong kopya ng lahat ng ledgers ni Sims, ano? Ito, yung binabanggit yung 457 million, 2 araw po ito eh. Natik po 457 million, March 24, 2025, yung isang withdrawal, total in 1 day, July 3, 2025. Ito yung sinasabi ni Ms. Santos, parehong delivered do sa office ni Engineer Bryce Erickson Hernandez. No? Marami po rito, ibibigyan ko kayo ng kopya.
Yes, thank
At,
you.
i-reproduce natin. Marami po, merong withdrawal na 180 million, may withdrawal na 141 million, withdrawal na 299 million, withdrawal na 65 million.
Tsaka- yes.
Puro isang araw ito.
Tsaka puro cash.
Puro cash ito, cash. Actually.
Bakit hindi cheque? O manager's check? Bakit walang patakaran ang bangko na, teka muna, kasi pag may cheque, meron ding paper trail. Kaya cash. Kaya 500 million cash sa loob ng 2 araw. Hindi napapansin ng ating government bank pa ho ito. At most likely, alam ninyong government funds yung binayad doon sa kliyente ninyo.
Senator Kiko, bigyan ka namin ng additional 2 minutes.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Go ahead, Ms. Lim.
Mr. Chair, since we already have the signed consent of Ma'am Sally Santos, can I explain the process flow? Because before it came through her account, will it be alright po? Okay. The process is, since Ma'am Sally Santos is recognized by the DPWH as their contractor and listed in their list of creditors, then the process flow is the funds. Okay, although everyone knew it, that it came from the notice of cash allocation from the Department of Budget and Management, then it goes to Land Bank, to the DPWH Central Office account, then head office na maintained with South Harbor, then the South Harbor DPWH will issue a notice of cash allocation intended for the DPWH Bulacan First Engineering District Office. So upon receipt of the Bulacan First District Office, they will issue an advice of checks issued and canceled. So that advice of checks issued and canceled coming from them with the regulation of the Bureau of Treasury for the 24 hours period before they can withdraw it or before they can credit it to their respective accounts of the contractors. So after the 24 hours, the following day, they will issue the list of due and demandable accounts payable, advice to debit accounts, that is the LDDAP ADA. They will send us that ADA and then Land Bank will process it through the financial system. Then upon uploading, it will automatically credited to the different accounts, a passbook account of the different contractors. So once we receive that different accounts, that it will credit the account of intended for Ma'am Sally Santos. And that amount that she withdraw is not necessarily a one-time credit. It's on different LDDAP number po. So then yun sabi niyo nag-pile up. That's it po.
Yes, but you didn't explain, is that standard? You can withdraw 500 million pesos in 2 days?
Actually, as manager, we try to market the account for as long as they did not need it right away, so they can still maintain it with Land Bank. Then that amount that it maintained for days before the account of Ma'am Sally called us and requested for a withdrawal.
Yes.
Then upon receipt, upon knowing of her withdrawal, right away we informed her that we need to source fund for that we cannot automatically
Kaya
have
nga
that
2
fund.
days.
Not only 2 days, it took for that particular account.
This transaction was 2 days. Based on the, 2 araw to put together yung 457 million.
Yes, Your Honor.
So hindi kayo nagtaka? Bakit cash? Bakit 457 million? At bakit 2 araw?
Your Honor, hindi po ako kasi magtataka or mag-iisip ng negative since the funding is coming from the government and the DPWH and knowing it's for the project. So, hindi po ako talaga nagtaka po.
Hindi ba common sense lang na 200 million cash for the project? Paano? Pero bang nagbabayad ng cash, ano yun? Di ba dapat cheque?
Actually po, yung list of creditors is a passbook account. And yun po yung nire-report po nila. Then they have their
The principle behind yung 500,000 suspicious transactions is because, suspicious transactions. Kumbaga, so hindi suspicious transaction yung kalahating bilyon, 2 araw nilabas? Cash?
Your Honor, to be honest, kasi hindi ko po, I am not an engineer or for every project.